Hi guys, recently I learned Django and I faced difficulty regarding Django intelligence issue in VS Code. So I fixed that issue. Let me show you how we can resolve that thing. So right now I am not able to see any intelligence. There is no contrib forms. So the reason is because Django is work on virtual environment. So on virtual environment we have python.exe compiler. In VNV script folder there is a python.exe. So right now Visual Studio uses default location python.exe to compile the project. So we have to inform VS Code to use virtual environment python.exe. So I have to click here, and here see there is a two option. One is virtual environment. This is the my virtual environment folder VNV, and other is default location where I Python installed. So I have to select virtual environment. So VS Code using this virtual environment python.exe to compile the project. Now let me show you from Django. See now Intellisense is show me all the things contrib.auth import authenticate. So this way we can resolve the Django intelligence issue. Thank you.